When it comes to SEO, many small to mid-sized organizations look to well-known organizations for clues on where to focus their efforts. They think to themselves, if that big successful company over there is improving their SEO by creating tons of content, then I'll create tons of content and that will improve my SEO too. Approaching SEO as a one-size-fits-all solution is one of the most common SEO mistakes we see. The truth is, if your organization doesn't have authority built up yet, then you can't focus solely on creating content in a vacuum. You need to be spending some time on building authority. Relevance refers to how well a document matches a search query. Authority refers to ranking strength. Even if you publish a lot of relevant content that search engines find, if those search engines don't consider you an authoritative source, then they're not going to rank your content highly in the search results. More authority means better ranking strength, which means better positions in the search results. Your SEO strategy starts with creating compelling, unique, high-quality content that people might naturally want to reference and link to. But you also have to tell people about your content for anyone to find it and link to it. A healthy SEO approach balances building relevancy with building authority. That means balancing creating high-quality, relevant content with building high-quality backlinks. How much time you focus on one versus the other will depend on how much authority your website has right now. So take a moment to think about your own organization. Is your organization well known, talked about, and linked to a lot online? If so, then you probably have pretty good search authority already. That means when it comes to SEO, you won't have to spend as much time building authority. Instead, you can focus more on serving up more and more relevant content that can be discovered by Google. Creating more content will also, in turn, help you acquire more backlinks. Or is your organization creating a lot of content but not getting many links? In other words, are you more like a brand new author who's just thrown their book into the pile? Then don't make the common mistake of focusing entirely on the relevancy aspect of SEO by just creating lots and lots of content. Doesn't matter how many books you publish, unless you're actually making an effort to build credibility by getting your book seen and known and talked about. Otherwise, they're just going to gather dust. If your website doesn't have authority built up yet, then all the content you're creating isn't going to get ranked as quickly as you may want it to. You don't get authority and credibility through volume. You get it largely through high quality and, more importantly, relevant backlinks. High quality content is essential to getting quality backlinks. For example, one piece of content that's better than anything else on the internet for that topic could get you hundreds of backlinks, whereas 100 pieces of poor quality content may not even get you a single link. Make sure you're balancing your content creation and link building efforts in a way that reflects your organization's SEO